Hi guys, welcome to AI Hub. In continuation of Python interview question series, today we will solve one more problem. So in this problem, interview will give you a one string which is look like this, in which some repeated characters are there, and they expect the output in this form, where you have to count the repeated character and then you have to mention the number of repeated character consecutively with that string or within the string only corresponding to that character. So to resolve this problem, see what will be our approach will be. First we will create this string. So this is the string we have. We have created a one empty output string in which we will save our result. Then we are creating a one variable by which we will count the character. We will initiate it by 1. Now we will create a one for loop. It will initiate from the 1 and it will run till the length of the string. Now the main thing is I will explain you how it will work. See, in this for loop we will starting from the first index and it will run to till the length of the string. If the value of the I is same as the previous character of that string, means the first character and the previous character is the same, then it will increase the count value by the 1. In this way we will count the characters. Once this condition will be false, then we will save the result. It seems to be difficult. I will explain you how it will work. And now we will reset the count as the 1. See how the things will work. First we will we are iterating the each character of the string. We will check if the that character is same as the previous character, then it will increase the count by 1. If that condition is false, then it will save the result in such a way that, see, the loop will run, it will reach till fourth of the A. Once it will reach the B, then that if condition will become false. Okay, then it will come in the else condition. So we will take the previous value, that means A, plus the count value that is in the if loop. We will concatenate both the things. Why we are using str count in because we can't directly concatenate string with the integer. That's why we are converting that integer into the string, and we are concatenate string and making the and putting the result in the out. So and again we will reset the count value as the 1. Again that loop will run for the B. When it will reach to the C, again it will come to the else condition. It will concatenate B with the count values and again it will reset the count variable. In this way the whole thing will run. Okay, we didn't print okay, now we have to print the result. we have to print the out. See what will happen. If you see that we are getting the desired result, but the problem is that it didn't, and here we didn't get the value for the E. The problem is, I will explain you. Once it will reach to E, actually we didn't handle the last case, means for the E we have to mention that also. Once it will reach to E, then we have to separately concatenate it. I will explain you how it will work. Now we are getting the desired result. So in the earlier condition, why we are not getting the desired result? See, once it will reach to D, we it will come here. But once it will reach to E, it will the count variable will become the 2, but there is no next character on which it will count. That's why we have to handle the last case in this way. So I hope you understand what I'm explaining to you. This is a very common question which is asked in the interview, and it is so important. So just practice it, understand it one more time. You will easily get it. Thank you.